How to create an account on ADP. Go to my.adp.com. In your web browser, click Create Account in the New User section at the bottom of the login page. Click Find Me if you don't have a registration code, or select I have a registration code if your employee gave you one. Enter your mobile phone number when prompted to help ADP find your employment records. Fill in your identity information like name, email, phone number, and location as it appears in your employer's records. Add contact recovery information for account security and password recovery. Verify your identity via email and mobile. ADP will send you a personal registration/verification code. Enter the verification code you received. It's only valid for 15 minutes. Create your user ID and password following ADP's password strength requirements. Check the box to accept terms and conditions, then click Create Your Account. Set up security questions and answers for added account protection. Your account is complete. Now go to workforcenow.adp.com to log in with your new credentials. If this helps you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.